play my kitchen toy set. Look at my kitchen toy. This is my house. I'm not sleeping in here. This is my real house. This is my toy house. This is my toy food shop. This is my cart. This is my table. I learn nighttime in my bedroom. My bedroom is super nice, and so now let's start. And you guys want to see my channel, so I gonna count to 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's done. So, what are we waiting for, guys? Let's do it! And no one gonna be the flyers. That's okay. The player gonna be the flyers. And here's the man money gonna buy. So my store is free. And so this money is just fake money. I'm not using it. I put it in my shopping cart. And these are my toys to play. So, what are we waiting for, guys? Let's do it. Okay, now, so we're gonna tell the customer, not my dad, the customer gonna be playing. Look at baby, he's so fun. Okay, now let's start to play my toy set. I don't have anything to put my money in. Okay, so let's start. Let's count to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, let's start. Here we go. Guys, want to see my food like? My food, I have burger, hot dog, ice cream, shrimp, pizza, and hot dog. That is just a hot dog, not in a bun. Cake, 1 slice of cake and a whole piece of cake. And this cookie, this French fry, another French fry, and this pretzel, and this my ice cream, and we have some chocolate, not a chocolate. Okay, now let's play. Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, hi ma'am, what do you want today? I want some burger, please. Okay, coming right up. So guys, we don't need to cook. I grilled it last night, done. I grilled it last night, done. So we're gonna put it in a tray or boxes. We're in boxes. It's upside down now. And 1 hot dog. I cannot put the hot dog. So the man. I grill yummy food, but it's just a fast food toy. No, it's just a not real food toy. It's just a small food toy. See, the ketchup is not in my hands, and the spatula, that's okay, and this is okay. Just say toys. We don't need anything, and this is not hot. And this cap, we can open it. We have something in here. Nothing. It's just water we're gonna put in. And we got this hole is gonna go, it is hotter, and it's gonna go like this. Shee! That's a loud noise. Like something though. And so, I will tell you my store bit. My store says ice cream shop. I have everything I had in my store. I tell you guys. And so this is my house, my toy house, my shop ice cream. This is I will play all of my toys. And this one Ninjago's. Here we go. one Ninjagos. I found them. I'm small. I found one Ninjagos anywhere, so I don't know. Or buy. Maybe I buy it, you guys. So this ninja gonna climb up the stairs is 10 feet up. So now let's play. This ninja is walking to my house and drop down like a Ninjago's movie. I never watched Ninjago movie any day. I don't know. And this spatula on this box. A little bitty spatula. Oh, so pretty. This box, we're gonna put the burger and the hot dog. We cannot put two things in there. So my baby is playing around down there. So I'm playing and my baby is playing there. Is that a White House? And this is my toy player. Hi. This is my ice cream. This is a small ice cream. We have this ice cream cone. And this is big. I had two ice cream here. This ice cream is bigger. And this ice cream, we have a secret. It's nothing in the secret. It's just a secret ice cream. You guys, last time I do Adion is part 1, so part 2, part 3, part 4, and part 5. So today is part 5, and you guys, I like the makeup Adion, so I'm gonna buy from my mom. I cannot do it. So this is my French fry, my mom. I just found it in my room, and it's a special fries. This is my special fries. It's not real fries. My toys is just fake toys, not my fake things. And here we have another one. It's a whole birthday cake I like. Whole birthday cake. It's a birthday cake filled some of the inside tastes like rainbow unicorn frosted, everybody. Oh, just fake dollars. Okay. So this can fit 2 of them, only this. And so we had a burger and this thick ice cream. It's a strawberry and it has red thing. I like of these ones. So I can finish it up. I like of the shape of the strawberry here. I don't know how to draw a strawberry. And the monkey will can this strawberry. So I got this pizza. Pizza have pepperoni and cheese. There's no ketchup. Maybe this is just tomato ketchup. I don't know. This drop thing gonna be like ketchup. I don't know, or tomato, or tomato sauce. And now let's go move to the other place. So we had another stick ice cream here. This had one of these apples here and these sprinkle and this stick. And someone just drawn my ice cream. I just found it. Here's one slice of cake. One slice of cake. I like the strawberry cake. So this one inside tastes like, let me think. It's tastes like pineapple strawberry milkshake. Almost done, everybody. And now we got this hot dog. 2 hot dogs. Not this one. So now we got this pretzel. I got pretzel. It's not all of this. I don't have any squishy, everybody. So this is my pretzel. You guys see? Here's my pretzel. My pretzel is small. And now we got this shrimp, my favorite food, everybody. Everybody, this shrimp is my favorite food in the entire world. So, we got one more. I got this cookie. This ice cream had 2 apple and 4 sprinkle. So we had all of the things, and bye bye guys. Oops, click down on the bell, you guys will see it. Bye bye.